Greetings once again, welcome back to Separate and Cypress channel. Alright, so today we have the ALLOSAURUS. We have the Hammond collection right here. This is a Dino Escape. This white and little green, red ALLOSAURUS. And I'm not sure if this is a dino rival or from the original Jurassic World. Let me scan this. I don't know if you guys can tell. If you scan it, it'll tell you. But for some reason it has a black tongue. Okay, so it doesn't have any sounds. You just push that button. It has a feature of moving the arms right there. Classic. And this Dino Escape has this slide button. That sound. There you go. I didn't grab all of it. It's too much. And we have our Hammond collection, ALLOSAURUS. We are so ready for the Indominus coming out this May. Next month, May 25th, guys. It comes out with all of the Hammond collections and the Legacy collection Indoraptor. So yep. So we have this ultimate damage ALLOSAURUS now. We're gonna compare it for the rest. Let's check the box first. Okay, it doesn't show any other creatures here. Nothing. Not the Mutodons. No. So let's check it out. Yeah, let's unbox it. Alright guys. So last few days was rough for me here. It's been super rough and actually don't know what to say, but thank you for your non-stop support. Okay, so let's check out this new ALLOSAURUS Ultimate Damage. Look at that big scar right here on his right thigh. Scars right here. Push that button. Of course, it's like a mutated ALLOSAURUS. It has quills on the bottom of its tail now. That's more what's that? Spikes or quills. At least they kept the crust on its head. Okay, so if you push the button here, it has a sound. Nice. Teeth right here. Oh wow, it's not separated, huh? On top, except for the lower teeth right there. Another scar right there. And more scars on its thighs and the tail part right there. Yeah, you don't wanna twist that. It has to be like that. So it has a nice like a dark green color with some red highlights right there. This is like a bright red. This one's like a darker red over here. And it got darker here, like a dark brownish red now. So let's compare first to the older ALLOSAURUS. This one has some damages as well. I didn't do it, that's how it is. So the newer one is bigger. It's a bigger head, so beefier body. And a longer tail. Okay. Yeah, definitely ALLOSAURUS. And then the Dino Escape, also smaller. The ultimate damage is way bigger. Oh yeah, also there's going to be another Indominus for ultimate damage with a Tylosaurus, I think, and the red, it looks like a Mosasaurus. Okay, so here's the Hammond collection. Has a smaller head, but a bigger body and a longer length of tail, obviously. Oh, it's actually taller too. There you go. So yeah, it says that you push it twice. If you push it once, it's different. Push it 3 times. Okay, I don't know. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened. Did it break? Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Maybe there's a defect. Maybe I can return this and switch out a new one. Wow. That's it. There you go. So yeah. Alright guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for the non-stop support. Even if we're going through these difficult times. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. And yeah, hang tight in life, okay, guys. Thank you again. Have a good one. Have a good evening.